Hey guys, what's up today? Beautiful day outside today. Today we're back on cleaning another pontoon boat and an ATV. They're side by side, I guess they are. And I've already sprayed with APC and super clean, so he's getting it peeling off pretty good. You can see it comes off pretty good. What do you mean? Yeah. Getting her going today. Left side to side in here. Clean it up. Not bad. Looking good. This is part one lady that owns a show truck. Doing her stuff for her. Let's rock it today. We got the outside cleaned up pretty good. Looks really good. We kind of started working on the inside. I want to show you guys some before and afters up here before we get it all cleaned up. But this is what it looks like before. You can see the mold and stuff on there. All that. Got some right there. Stuff right there, and then that side had it, so it looked like that, and now it looks like that. But you can tell a big difference in all this. It's all cleaned up, seats cleaned up. Still got a little bit on the steering wheel. I don't know, that stuff coming off there. No, but yeah, man. So you see a big difference already. But yeah, just want to show that real quick. Like I said, my mixture in there is about half of that container Fabuloso. About, I'm gonna say 4 ounces, 5 ounces of super clean, and the rest water. And it does really good. So what I do is go around and pre-treat everything. And he comes around behind me and sprays everything off, and I wipe whatever doesn't come off with the spray gun. Sit you over here, let you see how it goes. Anywhere that the seat's ripped, usually I'll wash by hand, and then he can just rinse it off. So for the pontoons, we generally hook up, anytime we have a boat, we generally hook up to the customer's water, because they use so much water to clean these boats. Like I said, we filled up twice yesterday and still ran out of water yesterday on a pontoon. So typically, if possible, we hook to the customer's water. They use several, so I'd say 150 gallon of water to clean these things. It's good and hot, ain't it, buddy? Carpet now?
Yep.
So, just giving it a good hose down, getting the black crud off. That cleaned up pretty good. Looks good, but you can see right where I stopped. So we got her all cleaned up. Looking good. The floor, the seats, everything's scrubbed and cleaned up. Looking good. Looking good. Now we gotta clean this side by side. Okay, so we got the boat moved out of the way. Got the side by side foam down good. And it's not real dirty, I don't think, compared to most. But get this bad boy cleaned up. For bag girl there, I guess, what you say. And it's looking good. I think she's selling it. Getting ready to sell it to movies or something. I think they're selling the boat too. But whatever, yeah. Cool. So we do a little hodgepodge everything. If it needs clean, we try to clean it. Automotive wise, boats, cars, trucks, campers, SUVs, that kind of thing. But I mean, you gotta be a little versatile in an area where you don't have as many people driving, so you got people with 2 cars, boats, so you get more clients that way, cleaning more versatile products. So we do a little bit of everything. Alright, so got the side by side done. It's kind of dark in there, but come over here where you can see it. Man, she's looking sharp. Good and clean. And clean on the inside, hard to tell, but yeah. Yeah, man. Good looking side by side. So, there we go. It's Jerry, NXTGEN Graphics. See you on the next one.